Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 58. Ulta. Ulta. The word ulta is a verb which means to cry. Again, ulta means to cry. How do we write ulta in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable ul, we need to draw first a no sound iyang followed by an ul character followed by a real character. For the second syllable da, we need to draw first a dikit character followed by an a character. And then we just have to combine these two syllables. Now let's try looking at this example. It says 저는 울어요. Again, 저는 울어요. The sentence could be subdivided into two. 저는 means I, and 울어요 is the present action of crying. So this is the present tense form of 울다. Just some more information about 저는. 저는 means I, so is the subject, and 는 is the particle added to 저 to indicate that this is the subject of the sentence. And if you would remember, since 저 has a vowel ending, we chose 는 over as the subject particle. Because as the rule says, if the subject ending is a vowel, we will add 는. And if the subject ending is a consonant, we will add 은. Now let's proceed with how ulta is transformed into ul어요. So initially we have ulta, this is our verb, and the first step is to remove da. So now we're left with ul. And as we have mentioned before, we'll have to choose a suffix to add to ul. And as you can see, it's oyo that's added to ul. So why did we choose oyo? It's because the last letter or the last vowel sound of ul is not a or o. So this time we will use oyo instead of ayo. So going back to this, as mentioned a while ago, we're just left with ul, and we have chosen oyo because ul does not end with a sound a or o. So ul plus oyo is ul어요. And looking back to this, we already know by now that 저는 울어요 means I cry, or it pertains to the present action of crying. And with that, you've just learned ulta. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 48 to 57. But don't forget our word for today, word number 58, ulta, which means to cry. Next word is hada, which means to do. Next word is gada. This is a verb which means to go. Next word is poeo, and this is used to ask, what is it? Next word is i름, which means name. Next word is manada. This is a verb which means to meet. Next word is achim, which means morning. Next word is Annyeong Haseyo, and this is used to say, keep up the good work. Next word is 천만에요. This is used to say, you're welcome. Next word is 없어요. This is used to say, there is no or I don't have. And the last word for our review is 있어요. This is used to say, there is, it exists, or I have. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.